Hello everyone, I Dipendra Khandelwal from Japan Engineering College, Focus. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about semiconductor substrate. Semiconductor substrate. Its name indicates semiconductor substrate. That means it consists of two parts. First one is semiconductor and another one is substrate. First one we study about semiconductor. We all know familiar about the semiconductor journal. Semiconductor are made up of atoms bonded together to form a uniform structure. Each silicon atom has 4 valence electrons which are shared, forming covalent bonds with the 4 surrounding silicon atoms. A semiconductor is a substance which can conduct electrically under some condition but not others, making it a good medium for the control of electrical current. The semiconductor such as germanium, silicon, carbon, selenium, etc. are the material which are neither conductor nor insulator. Their conductivity lie in between the conductivity of conductors and insulator. Semiconductors have some useful properties and are being extremely used in electrical and electronic circuit. Semiconductors are used for the preparation of solid state device like diode, transistor, which are the fast replacing bulky vacuum tube in almost all the applications. That is today requirement. In fact, semiconductor device have opened a new area in the field of electronic engineering. The semiconductor has a energy band. In semiconductor, the separation between valence band and conduction band by a forbidden energy band that lies near around 1 electron volt at absolute temperature. Semiconductor such as silicon are made up of individual atoms bonded together in a regular periodic structure to form an arrangement whereby each atom is surrounded by 8 electrons. An individual atom consists of a nucleus made up of a core of protons, that is positively charged particle, and neutron that contain no charge surrounding by electron. The number of electrons and protons is equal such that the atom is overall electrically neutral. The electrons surrounding each atom in a semiconductor are a part of covalent bond. Covalent bond is the lower part of energy band diagram. A covalent bond consists of two atoms shared a pair of electrons. Each atom forms 4 covalent bonds with 4 the surrounding atoms. Therefore, we can say each atom and its 4 surrounding atoms, 8 electrons are being shared. The structure of semiconductor is shown in the shown diagram. That in that scene, silicon atom is surrounded by 4 atoms. Second one part is the substrate. Substrate The name indicates that is base. For designing any electronic circuit, first one we have to choose a base on which we have to design the electronic circuit. In electronics, a wafer, or we can say a slice or substrate, is a thin slice of semiconductor such as crystalline silicon used for fabrication of integrated circuit and in photovoltaic to manufacturing solar cell. That we can say substrate is also a semiconductor that is made of silicon. The wafer serve as a substrate for microelectronic device built and upon the wafer. In figure, the substrate is shown. Crystal structure. Crystal structure is one of the other important part of semiconductor substrate. In crystallography, crystal structure is a description of the ordered arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules in a crystalline material. Electron in the valence shell makes covalent bond and share the valence electron of other neighboring atom to attain 8 electron position in the valence shell and get completely filled and stable. We can say shared electron is counted with all sharing atoms. Hence, all the atoms get their outermost shell completely filled. Valence electrons are highly bonded to their parent's atom at this time and has no movement of free electron is available at 0 degree temperature. So, finally, the crystal structure behave as a perfect insulator at 0 degree temperature. The crystal structure and symmetry play a very critical role in determining many physical properties such as cleavance, electronic band structure and optical transparency. The smallest group of particles in the material that consists this repeating pattern is the unit cell of the structure. That means unit cell is the base of crystal structure. If we want to develop any crystal, then first we have to choose a unit cell and its repeating part form a crystal. The unit cell completely reflects the symmetry and structure of the entire crystal, which is built up by the repetitive translation of the unit cell along its principal axis. Crystal structure and we can say or structure of semiconductor, that is consist of two part, lattice system and unit cell. If we want to study the crystal structure, then we have to study about lattice system and unit system. What is lattice system? First one we discuss about the lattice system. Lattice system are nothing but a grouping of crystal structure according to axial system used to describe their lattice. We can say that is a group of number of crystal structure. Each lattice system consists of a set of 3 axes in a particular geometry arrangement. All crystals fall into one of 7 lattice system. They are similar to but not quite the same as 7 crystal system. Crystal system is defined 7 seven lattice system. Second one is unit cell. Unit cell is a repeating very small quantity of the atomic structure. It defines the entire crystal with the atom position within. Means if we want to study about the crystal structure, then we have to first one study the behavior of unit cell. If we have behavioral of unit cell, then we can identify which type of crystal is used. In figure we can see the crystal lattice and unit cell. Unit cell contain a single cell that is lies between x, y and z axis. Crystal lattice that consists of number of unit cell, means that contain a repeating unit cell. Miller incidence of crystal. The physical properties of a crystal are different direction due to regularity or periodicity of crystal structure. This directional dependence of the physical properties is known as anisotropy. For obtaining different direction in crystal and then to recognize the type of crystalline substance, the crystallographic axis and plane normal to these axes are used in Miller incidence. A Miller incidence has 3 digits used for this purpose. That is the role of Miller incidence that contain, for example, 111,100 define axes and 111,100 define planes. A lot of properties and parameter of crystal vary in different crystal planes. It requires accurate grinding of slice and ICs for along the chosen crystal plane.